Difference one, the 2023 Hyundai Santa Cruz may have introduced updated exterior color options to provide more variety and contemporary choices for potential buyers. Compared to the 2022 model, automakers often refresh the color palette annually um, to keep the lineup appealing and on trend with consumer preferences. Difference two, the 2023 model might have received interior enhancements in terms of material quality or design tweaks, offering a more refined cabin experience. Automakers frequently update interior materials and finishes annually to maintain a competitive edge and address customer feedback. Difference three, there could be a difference in standard or optional technology features between the 2022 and 2023 models. Hyundai might have added or upgraded infotainment systems, driver assistance features, or connectivity options in the 2023 Santa Cruz to stay current with technological advancements. Difference four, updates to the safety suite are common, and the 2023 Santa Cruz may have included additional or improved safety features compared to the 2022 version. This could include enhancements to pre-existing systems or the introduction of new ones to increase occupant protection and accident avoidance capabilities. Difference five, changes in trim level offerings or configurations could distinguish the 2023 model from the 2022 edition, possibly streamlining options or introducing new trim levels to cater to a broader range of consumers. Adjustments in trim naming or features are a strategy to better meet market demands. Difference six, Hyundai might have tweaked the suspension or chassis tuning on the 2023 Santa Cruz for improved handling, ride comfort, or off-road capability. Such adjustments reflect ongoing efforts to enhance driving dynamics in response to customer feedback and competitive benchmarks. Difference seven, fuel efficiency might have seen an improvement in the 2023 model, either through engine calibration updates or aerodynamic refinements, complying with tightening emission standards and consumer preferences for lower operating costs. Difference eight, the 2023 model might include enhanced packaging options, offering buyers more flexibility in customizing their vehicles with packages that bundle popular features or offer cost savings compared to standalone options available in 2022. Difference nine, the pricing of Hyundai Santa Cruz models typically changes annually, reflecting production costs, market demand, and competitive positioning. The 2023 model might have experienced an adjusted base price or revised pricing on specific trims or options. Difference 10, the 2023 Hyundai Santa Cruz could have introduced new wheel designs or sizes, updating the overall aesthetic and providing buyers with more customization choices. Wheel design changes help refresh the appearance and often accompany other design updates. Difference 11, any differences in warranty or maintenance coverage between the 2022 and 2023 models may also exist. Manufacturers sometimes adjust terms to offer more attractive value propositions or align with market trends, which can influence buying decisions.